Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy and it is Wednesday. On this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 205 pounds eating ketogenically and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. If that's what you're looking for, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. Morning everyone, welcome to day 19 of the reverse diet. I'm taking my daughter out to do a little driving lesson, then I'll be taking her to school. That seat sounds like it's farting. She's very short. Yeah. She has to scoot way up. Anyway, so we were gonna be leaving out to go and take her to school, and then hopefully today's a boring day. I'm tired. I don't know how much exercise I'm gonna be able to do. I'm so sore after the last couple of days, so we will see if I even do anything today. But I will be doing a lot of other things, so I'll keep you guys in the loop. Hey, see ya. Yep. Bye. Alright guys, dropped my daughter off and heading out to do my day. As you can see, the scale is still up today. Yes, I was bummed out, admittedly. Keep hoping for it to move and go back down the other way. I have faith that will happen, but I'm starting to get a little concerned. But whatever. I'm feeling okay. I'm feeling good. It's nice having the extra food, even though it's still not that much food. So anyway, I'm gonna get home, get things going with my kids. I got a busy homeschool day today. Wednesday is one of our busiest days. I teach my online class on Wednesdays. And we have like an entrepreneur class that we have to do assignments for that happens tomorrow. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. Morning ladies and gentlemen. Hello, how you doing, Chic? Hello, Shadow. Andy, because you slept through the second quiz. Wake up, child.
Whoa, looks like she's dead in this photo. Oh,
Apparently Virginia didn't sleep at all last night because she can't stay awake at all. Man, I look terrible. I was laying down.
Switch as long as I was.
Yeah, well, you're awake. Well, we just finished all our morning stuff. The kids are going to run down and get their candy treats for doing multiplication. And then we're going to get started on some stuff I got planned. Okie doke, it's lunchtime break, so I'm coming out here to do my lunchtime egg collection. Sadly, they all think they're getting a treat. Every time they see me, they think they're getting a treat, but they're not getting a treat. Sorry, ladies. Just coming to check the baskets and see if you laid me anything good. All right, it's 1 o'clock, and I'm about to have my first meal of the day, and I left my Solé water downstairs. But I'm gonna go grab it in a minute and take that, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna eat. All right, so today I am having 2 fried eggs, 30 grams of cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio water enhancer, with 13 grams of Lily's chocolate chips, and 3 sugar-free Winky brand Jellos. That is gonna be my first meal of the day. Solé number 2. To go. Today we got Jasper and Ruby. Oh, what's our goal today, buddy?
Good dance.
Yeah,
That's our girl.
that's our goal. That's our girl. You mean girl?
Yes.
Okay, that's our girl today. You got the girls in your class?
Yes.
You think they're cute? Yeah. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Let's do this. I got the kids dropped off. I am going to, in a little while, be having my snacks. I forgot to film them last week, so I thought I better do it this time. So I have 3 sugar-free Jellos. Bang. And I got my new shipment of, got my new shipment of Quest bars, my favorite kinds. Caramel chocolate chunk.
This day is gonna be full of love.
Full of love?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite days when they're full of love? How do you know if it's full of love?
I just hugged you, and it's full of love.
Oh, and like yesterday, you knew it was a full of love day because you felt like kissing me a lot? Yeah, I love it. That sounds like a good way to decide how the day is going. See if you feel full of love. I think we should all feel full of love. Definitely. Let's be like Jasper. Alrighty guys, I'm home from the dance studio. I had my third dose of Solé in a bottle of water with some Mio while I was there. And I was talking to friends so I didn't film it. And now I'm about to have my last meal of the day. It is a little after 9 p.m. Finally home. And this is what I'm going to have. So I am having broccoli Alfredo. I have 155 grams of broccoli, 6 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 1 serving of Rayo's Alfredo sauce, and 80 grams of tomato. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. 450 milligrams magnesium glycinate and ritual vitamin. Solé dose number 4. Thank you for watching. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow.